Dog snoring can result from various factors, including head positioning and breed, but there are several strategies to manage it effectively. To enhance airflow, try adjusting your dog's sleeping position, using a pillow for support, and opting for a round bed. Regularly clean bedding to minimize allergens, and consider using a humidifier in dry environments to soothe irritated airways. Keep your dog's space free from smoke and dust, and be cautious with homeopathic treatments without veterinary advice. Ensure overweight dogs get adequate exercise, as excess fat can obstruct airflow. Short-nosed breeds may require a vet visit to address potential breathing issues, while you should monitor for signs of infection or dental problems, which can also contribute to snoring. If the snoring persists, consult a veterinarian to rule out serious health concerns.